Mr. Abramji, hope you're well. I trust you're well, sir. It is Vlam, or Marius van der Merwe. Sir, I've seen your post on this Zama that was allegedly buried alive in Benoni. I'm the person that was there. Obviously, there's things that transpired beforehand and afterwards, and I would like to talk to you about it. I would like to get my story out in public in terms of the role players from state that's facilitating the illegal mining problem, the key stakeholders that's facilitating this. I've got all the intelligence on that.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Kune voice note leseculator kulapha enkundleni yokuxhumana yaMarius van der Merwe ayisendela uYesef Abramji. uYesef uyi-journalist ke sana, uyi-journalist, and bekamtshela nje ukuthi kune information lafuna kumnika yona leyendeke akhona njengoba simvile atikhulumela. So le voice note yaseculator namhla lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana sifo kanjena circulate, and people are saying ukuthi lo Yesef kufanele bam-investigate unesandla ekushoneni kwakhe Marius kanjani, because uYesef he's a journalist, angaba involved kanjani njengoba sibona ukuthi uMarius guys bekafuna ukulikhuluma liqiniso, like he was ready ukuthi aspile mabhinzi akhuluma aba-expose bantu labenta abogebengu ne-corruption la South Africa. Lola kwatiko yena bekade ukukhuluma. So bantu labaningi they're just so heartbroken ukuthi Nkosi yami ufele South Africa, he died for South Africa, he died ukuthi corruption iphele, and bekade ukuthi ufaka impilo yakhe engqopheni, impilo yakhe ifaka in danger, but uqhubekile wema wathi ufuna ukulikhuluma liqiniso. Sebantu abaningi bayasho nje ukuthi bayavelana nemndeni wakhe, bayavelana nalo kwendeke kuye, because guys, this is so sad. This is so sad. The people are now saying ukuthi shothi ma-witness asatonyamala nga-one nale bafuna to come forward bafakazi bakhulume lapha kwatiko ngeke basakhuluma, because they are scared for their lives. Bayasaba ukuthi bato babulala. Shothi corruption na South Africa into lengeke ize iphele, into nje lengeke iziphela. Naku bambulele bayibulele i-witness, but kude lokwendakalako the president is not saying anything. Kuthulekile le ndzaba lena bekuse ithathwe serious, bekumele actually ithathwe serious, investigatewe ukuthi mbani lo mbulalile kuMarius, umbulalelani. Angeke guys azashone as state witness shone kungabe indaba zalutho kunga-investigatewa umuntu ashone nje, because kahle kahle lana basolwa bakhona. It's not like basolwa bekho, basolwa bakhona. Siyathi ukuthi ngibobani labamfuna afile, because bayasaba ukuthi information lato ikhipha uMarius ito bangenise ejele. We honestly know, but nako ke okuthulekile, no one is saying anything. As a South Africa, we are not angry enough. And this other lady lo wakhuluma social media thithine ma South Africans ma keyboard warriors, like she was right, because yakhona khuluma ma keyboard this type, but when it comes to actions ukuthi siphume silwa sihambe. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.